I cannot answer, sir, if invented, sir.
Yan ang naging sagot ni Office of the Vice President Assistant Chief of Staff Limuel Ortonio nang tanungin ni Senator Judge Erwin Tulfo kung saan galing o kung inimbento ang mga kakaibang pangalan na nakalista sa acknowledgement receipts kaugnay ng paggamit ng confidential funds.
So, sino po
You may
mga
proceed.
nag-invento at saan galing yung mga alias po na yun? Is that only Colonel La Chica o sa grupo ninyo, sila Chippy McDonald, sila Pusa, Aso, etc. May sila Pagong. Who invented those?
But as to the AR, sir, I cannot provide information, sir, because I do not have any participation in the implementation of the confidential activity.
Tinanong din ni Tulfo si Ortonio kung nabasa at naunawaan ba niya ang nilalaman ng COA DBM Joint Circular Number 2015-01 na nagtatakda sa paggamit at liquidation ng confidential funds.
Ginoong testigo. Nabasa niyo po ba na mabuti at naintindihan ang nilalaman ng Joint Memorandum Circular, sir?
Yes, Your Honor, I was able to read it, and based on my understanding, I was able to understand the contents of the JMC.
Nung kayo po ay pinadalahan na ng Notice of Disallowance ng COA, nabasa niyo rin po ba kung bakit kayo po pinadalahan ng Notice of Disallowance? Kailangan niyo pong sagutin yung kanilang AOM.
Yes po, for the 2022 and 2023.
2022. So naintindihan po ninyo na sinasabi doon ng COA na while confidential funds allow for the payment of rewards to civil information, yung COA po has ruled that this cannot be structured as broad distribution of medicines, food, grocery packs, or household goods. And that kung ito po ay reward, dapat po specific targeted financial payouts lamang po at hindi po pwedeng ibili ng mga gamot o ng mga upuan bilang reward. Naintindihan niyo po ba yun?
Sir, based on my understanding, sir, that is the initial observation coming from the COA, and we were able to provide comment on that on our replies.
Tinanong naman ni Senator Judge Francis Kiko Pangilinan kung bakit gamot ang ipinamigay bilang reward sa mga informant at kung bakit hindi idinaan sa bidding ang pagbili ng mga gamot ng OVP.
Bakit gamot? Would you know?
Sir, I would not know, sir, but although based on the information that was shared to me by the security officer, those were parang yun po yung representation or yun daw po yung inilapit ng mga informants or agents that they needed at the time.
Pero hindi nyo alam kung talagang gamot ang binili.
I would have no idea, sir, on the implementation, sir.
You were head of the BAC, Bids and Awards.
Bids and awards.
So
committee,
familiar ka, pagka regular purchases, dapat may bidding ang medicines.
correct, sir.
Di ba?
Yes, sir.
So, kung yun ang pinaliwanag sa'yo, sa loob ng 9 na buwan, hindi mo ba tinanong o hindi mo ba sinita na dapat pagka medicines, dapat bidding? Kasi ako ang head ng Bids and Awards. Alam ko yan eh.
Sir, I was only made aware of the concern regarding the medicines and food supplies, sir, when the AOM, when we received the AOM, which was around October of 2023, sir. So that was parang almost 9 months after the 2022 na implementation for the confidential funds.
Okay. So, hindi mo alam kung bakit gamot, no? Sinabi lang sa'yo, no? Pero bilang in charge ng financial services, yun na nga, hindi mo rin talaga alam kung yung 122 million ay gamot ang binili.
For that purpose, sir, I would have no personal knowledge, sir.
Samantala, tinanong ni Senator Judge Bam Aquino si Ortonio kung nagkaroon ba ng internal investigation ng OVP at kung pinatawag ba ang security officer na si Colonel Raymond La Chica kasunod ng mga kakaibang pangalan sa acknowledgement receipts ng confidential funds.
On that matter, sir, I do not know, sir, if there is an instruction coming from the head of agency, sir. But personally to me, sir, none, sir.
Pinatawag niyo po ba ng inyong opisina at pina-explain kung nasaan ba itong perang to?
Sir, I was only able to request na makausap si Colonel Lachica.
Sinagot naman ni Aquino si Senator Judge Robin Padilla matapos itong banggitin ang paggamit noon ng kanyang tiyuhin na si dating Senator Benigno Ninoy Aquino Jr. ng alias.
Tama po, si Ninoy Aquino po ang kanyang alias ay Marshall Bonifacio para makauwi po siya sa Pilipinas kung nasa Boston siya. Oho, pero wala naman ho siyang confidential funds na wala ho siya sa mga AR na confidential funds. Lilinawin ko lang ho.
Tinanong din ni Ortonio kung ano ang employment status ni Colonel Raymond Lachica sa OVP. Ayon kay Ortonio, hindi empleyado ng OVP si Lachica sa kabila ng paghawak ng milyong pisong confidential funds. Matapos ang 2 araw na pagharap sa impeachment court, natapos na ang direct at cross-examination, gayon din ang interjection ng mga senator judge kay Ortonio. J.M. Thompson, para sa Bayan.